Deputy Chief Medical Officer Dr. Karen Gordon Boyle responded to the remarks made by the Pan American Health Organization Paho country representative Dr. William Adekro that with the growing number of cases in regions 1, 7, and 9, there is a greater need of resources to be directed to those areas. This was said during a recent on-the-phone interview with this newscast. Dr. Gordon Boyle acknowledged the rising number of cases in the said regions, but highlighted that there is a process which needs to be followed. She added that at the Ministry of Public Health, and I quote, "they just don't send out because we'd like to send out," end of quote.
The regions have to request what they need. It's not the central place dictating to the regions how much they need. So if Region 9 has a regional health officer, which it does, the regional health officer is the person on the ground, and that person has to initiate by saying, I have 10 cases, I need 10 PPEs. And once they say they need 10 PPEs, then it's our job to ensure they get their 10 PPEs.
Additionally, Dr. Adekro had highlighted that it was imperative to have more medical professionals to deal with the influx of the cases in those regions. When asked if more could be done in that area, Dr. Gordon Boyle stated that, I quote, "if we have people to send, we will send," end of quote. She stated, however, that systems are being implemented to better serve residents in those regions. She stated that as of last Friday, a proposal was signed to deploy a surveillance officer to Region 9 who will train young local school graduates to serve their community.
So they'll be trained to do surveillance and contact tracing for us in Region 9. So she's going to be sent to Region 9 and we'll spend maybe about 3 months in there as needs be to train and handhold and mentor those young surveillance officers who will then be, the idea is, employed in the region, in the hinterland.
She, however, agreed with Dr. Adekro's call for the strict monitoring, beefing up of security at Guyana's borders, and behavioral changes by the local population to curb the transmission of the virus.
Closer border control and monitoring, I think it would be required. And then for the people themselves in those regions to be a bit more vigilant and serious when it comes to using masks, people not using masks the way they should. And so it kind of undermines the efforts.
Over the weekend, 9 new cases came from Region 7 on Saturday. On Sunday, 6 new cases from Region 7 and 4 new cases came from Region 9. On Monday, a whopping 19 new cases was recorded in Region 9. For the HGP Nightly News, Amel Griffith.